everybody, my name is Steven with Cannin.com, and we are back for another user recommendation, a revisit of the NASDAQ listed pick and shovel company to the cannabis dispensary. This is GreenLane. Let's jump over to the chart now. You can see GNLN. Again, this is listed on the NASDAQ. We're looking at the daily candles here. And we're zoomed out kind of towards the end of 2020. You can see we're at October. We're at about $2.66. Ended the year strong into 2021. A lot of promise. A lot of companies had a similar trend here. And then something interesting happened. Right around March 2021, they announced their merger with one of their competitors, Kushco Holdings. And so what seemingly is a promising merger, increasing revenue, decreasing competition, saving on costs where there are standardized processes. The market has pretty much rejected that. You can see we were trading about 546 since then. We've really been on a downward trend. This has come back down all the way back down to 162. So not a lot of positive feelings in terms of the pricing chart with this merger. Throughout this period, you can see what happened on the accumulation distribution line, almost a straight horizontal line. So this is what you get when a lot of buying and a lot of selling. The market can't really make up its mind, kind of horizontal. You get these peaks and valleys. You see we did recently, as of about midsummer, start to really decrease here from about negative 10 million all the way towards negative 30 million. So a lot of people dumping this stock. And it's definitely showing in negative territory here. We also have the awesome oscillator, kind of what you would expect here. This period of rapid price gains, we do see a lot of a lot of the time spent above zero, which is here. And as we see these peaks and valleys are mimicked in the peaks and valleys of the pricing chart, you'll see here's a peak. It's almost the exact peak of the awesome oscillator. The next one, peak. So it's really trending the pricing chart very, very closely. Since about March, again, the announcement of that merger, most of the time has been in the negative territory. So pretty interesting trend, and not what a lot of people would have guessed. They have missed some earnings calls along the way. They did hit an earning call, 46% up, but since then have missed another earnings call. So not quite what they were hoping for when they did this merger. We can see the triple moving average. Lastly, short period is green, long period is yellow. You can see we're well below. Green is below red, which is the medium period, which is below yellow. Sign of weakness here, sign of weakness here. The trend is down, weakness here. So not a lot of promise in terms of the technical analysis for GreenLane Holdings. But let us know what you think about the merger. Let us know what you think about their promise. And if there is any heading into 2022. Thank you so much, everybody.